Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. Now, in this video, we're going to have a series of videos, and this video is entitled How to Set Up a MetaTrader 4 Account Part 2. So remember, if you'd seen Part 1 of this series, we're going to choose a demo account. Okay, so number 1, let's choose a demo account. Number 2, click Next. So here we can see open an account, because it's going to be a brand new account in this case, but you'll see further down here it says something different as well. But select an account type to start working. An account is required. So do you want to load into an existing trade account? Because you can if you have a login number and your password. And here, always ensure you save your password. Here, once again, it shows us FXCM GBP Golf Bravo Papa, the Great British Pound demo account, number 1. Here, you have the option of saying, yes, I'd like to open a new demo account, or I'd like to open a new real account. In this case, we're going to go for a new demo account and simply click Next. And so we wait for that to populate. Once that opens, then you have where you put your details in here. So let's put this in as TenKei. TenKei and info, put your email in there. This email is info@tenkei.co.uk, so you can contact us. Yep. Let's see. Here, put in your telephone number. Account type, well, if you're in Australia, Australia. If you're Japan, Japan. New Zealand, New Zealand. USA, USA. UK, if you're in the UK, UK. Another country or other country, put other. But in this case, here in the UK, put UK. Your deposit type as your demo account, you can put in whatever amount you want, but it's play money, basically. It's a demo account. Put in as much as you can, I'd say. And then you must agree. It says here, I agree to subscribe to your newsletters. In actual fact, believe it or not, we have never received any newsletters. But if you do, it'll all be good, I believe, because it's all to do with MetaTrader 4. But click on this here, then click Next, and it's going to give us our password. Okay, so now look at this. We have here, open an account, yes, registration. Well, wait a little, please. It's got TenKei, or be your name, the type of account, in this case demo, the deposit, the amount of money you wanted to put in there, demo money, the server type, FXCM in this case, Great British Pound, or the cable dollar, or the pound, sorry, demo, and this here is your login. This is your login. So what you want to do is you want to take note of this number here. What I always do, and I'm going to do it right now, you can't see me doing it, but what I always do is I always take a picture on my phone of that number, because at the same time as getting the number, we get the password, and these details here, investor, is never really used. But this is what you have here. Okay, so make a note of that. So if ever system goes down, or you want to load this account onto your iPhone, your Android phone, your tablet, another laptop, wherever it may be, we'll show you how to do it. As long as you've got these details, you can carry this and take this account and load it any way you wish. The next step would be to click Finish, and then there we are. Now, hear that? Incoming mail. So incoming mail, but nothing ever comes into your mail, but it all ends up down here. So we're going to go through all of this, okay? And if you look in the bottom right hand corner, you see these red and green bars, horizontal, vertical bars, and a number here, the kilobytes. It's showing that you are connected. Connection status. Yep, connection status. You are connected, and so you want to ensure you're always connected when you are loading up, or when you are using your trading account. That's all we'll do for now. We'll be back in part 3. Thank you.